gang, welcome to another edition of the Mighty Sutphen. Our compartment leak continues, much to my dismay. So we're going to add some more weather stripping to that compartment. Here, I'll give you a look at what we're dealing with. I think our problem is no weather stripping along this edge in here. So picked up some weather seal this morning, and we're going to clean this and put that on and give it another shot. We did have 2 inches of rain, so it was a good test, but it failed. We added some weather stripping, so I'm hoping this is the final fix. Well, gang, I been into the driver's door. The wing window vent broke off there. And let's see, this is a job. We're off to try and find a new wing vent, or try and get this one repaired, which I don't know if it could be TIG welded maybe. That's been the day for the last hour or so, or two. Well, we're back working on the window, and what we realized is that the threaded taper needed to be off in order to get through that hole, which would have been probably easier before I had the glass in. The right way to do this would have been just to use a new bolt, weld it in, come up with a nut, but we're this far. I had to cut off around the pin and then slice down the center to get enough of this rusted bolt off. So we're salvaging it. All right, one step closer. Not really a straight path, but you get the idea with this project. All right, next step. I learned that you have to have the wing vent in the frame before you can put the unit back in the truck. So live and learn. So we did get it in. Now I just start putting it back in carefully. Sometimes you buy a tool, or you think about buying a tool, and you think, that would be nice to have, but would I ever really use it? And then someday, like a day like today, this is why I got it. Because trying to get that screw in up there would be a lot easier with this. Because nothing goes smoothly, and I don't want to fix this again. 2 of the 3 threads or holes that hold the door latch in were stripped. Not good. Another tool that, if you wonder if you'll ever need it, and I've used it 100 times now, is the thread set tool. Or you can see it here. Thread set. You thread that in, and it crimps. We'll show you in this. Oops. Crimps in a second. I'll show you. It's your brand new thread, so great tool. It's all back together. Now, a couple tips. This attaches to the door latch. Here's your door handle. Leave those attached. Only take the 3 screws out of here, and that whole assembly will come out. One other tip, before you put it back together, make sure your handle's in the right position, clockwise. Full disclosure, I've put this together and taken it apart once to get that fixed. But anyways, not a bad job. Other hint, keep the window up and your regulator in that up position, because then you just attach it, slide it on, hang it from the top, and then put your 4 screws in, and your window will be right in the right position, regulator will work. Well, gang, it's back in service.